What is good, everybody, man? You know, we listen to a banger, you feel me? So today we did do a lot of things to the Z. Honestly, we were working on it for a long time, bro. It's already 8 o'clock at night. We're gonna go to the store. We're gonna get some spaghetti, bro. It's pasta day, you feel me? I tried to wire up the gauges. I'm kind of confused. It's only on like the old harness. Like, I don't know where everything connects to, because the ground it's already grounded, I believe. So we just gotta connected to a 12-volt source, which I have one, and I try to connect both of the wires that are connected to the radio to that source, but I kind of just got confused, so I might just do that another day. It's only the lights. Like, it's not like the gauges still work, but I mean, they're kind of tinted, so you can't really see. You can still see the boost and everything like that, so it's not bad. And yeah, so we just did little things like that. I think next up for the Z is an oil cooler and shit, I don't even know. I still got a lot planned, so there's a lot to do. We did get that, we did clean out the engine bay, or the bottom of the engine, and the oil pan and all that, and then we put the cover on, the engine cover, or the oil, I don't know, what is that thing called? The skid plate. So I'm tired, bro. It's hot too, man. It's raining, it just started raining. I forgot to fix the wiper. I just got adjusted further down. I put it on really quickly, so that's why it kind of is messed up. But yeah, man. Oh, and we actually fixed it, so it's not as ugly as it used to be, but it's not as close as I want it to be. We just use RTV for this one. We might use double bubble next. It does look better down there. Down here it used to look uglier, so shit, my bad, damn. But I mean, it's not as bad, I guess, to say, but we do got to fix that a little bit more. We did vacuum out the car. We didn't wash the outside, luckily, because it started raining anyway. But yeah, man, I mean, we did a few things to the Z. I'm not even gonna lie, we might get a cooking video, you know what I mean, towards the end, just cook some spaghetti. But yeah, I do want to get bigger brakes for the Z, I think, also. There's a lot, man. There's a lot I still gotta do, you know. Just gotta get the bread up first, man. Make sure you guys subscribe, watch some more videos, man. Go cruise, go to the store, get some ground beef, you know, some noodles, you know, cook some spaghetti. We tried to fix the door. So the piece, I glued it, but I think there's another piece missing still. So, but the piece was glued pretty good. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, like the double bubble worked perfectly. So we just have to find out what we gotta do next. We just gotta find out what piece we need and just get it. There's no other Z's here, like junkyard wise, so we gotta kind of order it, unfortunately. So yeah, subscribe, smash that like button. Oh, bro, right after I took off the GoPro and everything, bro, homie sped past doing like probably 140. So I passed them doing like 170. You feel me? We were doing 170. I hit a sick drift, you know, in Forza. You know, I don't want y'all to use that and lose my license. I'll see y'all while we cook, man. I'm so pumped. Yo, vans are crazy, bro. Look at this shit. Damn, nigga. Damn, man. All right, boys. Hey, yo, welcome back to another video. We're cooking with T-Brat part like 17, bro. I haven't did a cooking video in a minute, bro. We're making some spaghetti, pasta. I don't know what you want to call it, but we're making spaghetti, bro, the classic way, bro. You feel me? Oh, shit. You're getting shit everywhere, bro. Gotta make sure you stay clean, you feel me? Oh, it's probably loud. But let's get some seasons. You know what I mean? That all-purpose. You can never go wrong with some all-purpose seasoning, bro. Ooh. Oh my God. There's wind. There's wind, bro. That shit. Or not wind, but the fan. The fan just blew that shit everywhere, bro. So what is up, guys? You know what I mean? Y'all want to see more cooking with T-Brat, or maybe a video dedicated for cooking with T-Brat? Then just comment down below, bro. Be like, hey, bro, cook this, nigga. I might not know how, but I'll try to, bro. This is one of my favorite meals. I cook it once a week, bro. Every single Saturday or Sunday, just depends. Pancakes too. I have a pancake cooking with T-Brat, bro. My hands are dirty, bro. I wash them though, but it's just got that onion powder. You know what I mean? Some of that on there. Ooh, you feel me? You got the classic. You got the garlic powder. Ooh, the fan be blowing it. Hold up. Ooh, over seasoned? I don't know, man. I'm black. Like that shit. We are gonna add some more Goya on that motherfucker though. Let me know what y'all want to see within the Z, bro. Y'all want to see me track it? Y'all want to see me drift it? What y'all want me to do, bro? We got the spoiler coming soon. I don't know how long, honestly. You'll probably see this shit in like a few months. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. The way it's shipped and everything is just bogus, so It's gonna be a while until that spoiler actually comes in. It's a chassis mount. It's gonna be looking nice on the Z. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm kind of pumped. I feel like it's gonna look nice, but it's also gonna look stupid at the same time. Some people are gonna like it, some people are gonna hate it, bro. Not even gonna lie. All right, my boys. Sorry, I gotta make sure it's filming, bro. That shit weird. Yo, this shit is fire, bro. You put this in there, bro. Normally people mix up with water. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna put y'all on, bro. Other than water, you mix it up with some more sauce, bro. Honestly, I like, it's like, I don't know how to explain it. More tender, more, shit, I don't know how to explain it, bro. It's more seasoned, you know? It's more precise. I don't know. I'm sorry, bro. I'm stupid, bro. Throwing the noodles in real quick. Ooh. We got these type of noodles. We got the same noodles over there, bro. Oh, fuck, hold on. My bad. Damn. We're just gonna throw them all in there. We got some sea salt, bro. We ain't got normal salt, bro. Oh my god, alright, I might have put too much salt, I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, let's put some butter in there. Y'all want, if y'all want your shit to be tasting fire, bro, add some butter, bro. Well, look at that butter. Oh. I think if you put butter with rice, bro, it tastes fire, but what bread we feeling? Definitely this one. We're gonna do these two. Turn that down so it doesn't boil over. Boom. It smells good. Boom, got that one. Ooh. Well, that shit smells. It smells like a crab, bro. That's good and bad, I guess. I'm from Maryland, so you know we love those crabs, nigga. 10 minutes. Oh yeah, we got some cheese, bro. We're gonna throw that cheese up in there. Some pasta cheese. We roast me for cheese too, bro. That niggas be going too crazy on me, bro. Hold on, let me mix up the spaghetti real quick. She over here cooking. Break it up. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Oh, the spaghetti's done, bro. Definitely. Put some more Goya on that hoe. Boom. That's good. Now, for this, let's get some more butter. Add some butter to this. Maybe that's what they be doing, bro. I had some good ass rice, bro, and it just tastes like butter, so it might just be butter. Boom. Mix this up one more time for the one time. It was basically done. Let's taste it. Little taste test. Oh, put the tomato paste first. I get a little fork for it. I'm gonna use these. I don't even know what these are used for, but it's good to open up tomato paste. So, boom, pull it out. Oh my god. Might have to turn that shit down some more though. The noodles. I had this before the sauce so it gets into the meat more. That's how I see it. That's how I've always been doing it. Gonna rush because we gotta kind of go in a minute. Put up on the sides. Kind of gotta rush this because it will burn. Add one of them. You mix it because the meat's at the bottom with no sauce. You feel me? I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. Boom. Add some more sauce. Add the rest of it. Yeah. Oh my god. Boom. Got the sauce in her. The sauce in her. You just mix her up a little bit. Might be too much sauce, but fuck it. Oh my god, this pan cannot handle it, bro. Boom, you got your spaghetti. You just let that bitch sit. We got a while to let it sit, so yeah. Smash the like button, subscribe, bro. Man, if y'all want me to cook some more, bro, it's a mess right now. I'm gonna clean it up. But yeah, just gonna let it sit until I don't like it too liquidy, so I'm gonna just let it sit, man. And honestly, 5-10 minutes, this shit should be down more. So smash the like button, subscribe. I love you guys, bro. See you guys in the next one. Watch some more car videos. Peace out, bro.